So sometimes it's really important to get an overview of your students and see critical information. So if you go to overview right over here, you will see all of your critical information. You can see the total number of students suspended, in school, out of school, overage students, grade, at-risk level, students who have just entered the school, daily average attendance, students who are not chronically absent. You can also filter to one particular school if you needed to. And then the other way to look at critical information is to view this red button, Critical Key Indicators. And this will also give you a summary of all of your schools. So you can take a look at that. You can see total number of students, homeless, at-risk levels, daily average attendance. So this will give you, you can see the pattern. You can see daily average attendance, chronic absenteeism, current students who have been absent 3 days in a row, 5 days in a row. All of this data is updated daily, so you can take a look at that. You can even see students, number of students who are almost chronically absent. And then again, you can download this data if need be. You can click the three ellipses, go to export data. You may not see all of the schools in your district or within your purview. You will only see data that you have access to. So if you are a teacher, you would only see data that is related to your students. So you may see a school here, but the calculations would only include students within your access.